Hello baby Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the baby Dogecoin holders big mistake. My friends, and I also share the latest in urgent update with all of you in this video. So keep watching this video complete, and before starting this video, please also make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, first of all, if we talk about the price changes, so you can see here that now the 24 hours changes of the Dogecoin is positive, my friends. Baby Dogecoin 9.62% the price pump in the last one day, and the last 1 hour changes occur in the baby Dogecoin is negative 4.74%. So my friends, you can see here that is really a big loss in the last 60 minutes, my friends. Due to this reason, a lot of people start a very big mistake and they decide to sell, my friends. Due to just this reason, my friends, the people understand wrong. My friends, the people understand that baby Dogecoin have no idea to take a pump in the future. When a lot of people see this kind of negative changes of the baby Dogecoin, so they decide to sell. They understand that they have no idea to take the price will pump in the future, and that's why they decide to sell, my friends. But I think I also predicated in my previous videos that baby Dogecoin is the new coin, and that is the low price cryptocurrencies. You can see here the price of baby Dogecoin is very low. That's why the price showing here is $0 my friends. So that's why a lot of people want to invest in baby Dogecoin. So absolutely, if the people invest in the baby Dogecoin, so the price will increase. After demand of the baby Dogecoin is decreased, so the supply is decreased, and due to this result, the price will increase, my friends. So my friends, it's not time to sell, it's time to hold. Selling is the big mistake of all holders at this time. Don't decide to sell, and it's time to hold. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about baby Dogecoin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.